Today we have this question on derivation. We have this question on differentiation we want to quickly look at. They said if y is 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus 4, find the square y over the x squared. Or it can be you can write it like this, meaning find the second derivative. We all know the general formula for differentiation, assuming y is equals ax raised to power n. Differentiation means, which is dy dx, is this power will come to the back. Meaning n, this n will come behind, times ax, and then you will remove 1 from it. Do you understand? The power goes behind, you remove 1 from it. Meaning if y is, for instance, 3s cubed, it implies that dy dx is equals, this 3 will come back, 3 times 3 x raised to power 3 minus 1. You go ahead to say 3 times 3 is 9, then x 3 minus 1 is what? 2. That's the way we go about it. But now, coming to the question, it means I am going to differentiate first. The answer I will get, I will differentiate it again, meaning I am going to do differentiation 2 times. That's the meaning of this one, meaning second derivative. Do the first one. The answer you will get from the first one, differentiate it the second one. And that's why it is called second derivative. So I'll be having, dealing with this question now, I'll be having dy dx is equals, I'll use the idea, 3 times 3 x raised to power 3 minus 1 minus 2 times 2 x raised to power 2 minus 1. And if you differentiate a constant, you are going to get what? 0. If you differentiate a constant, which is 4, what is a constant? A constant is a term that does not carry a variable. This one carries x, this one carries s, but this is the only one that does not carry s, therefore is a constant. So when you differentiate a constant, it gives you what? 0. So if you go ahead, the result I'm going to get here will now be 9x raised to power 2 minus 2 times 2 is 4, x raised to power 1. This is the first derivative. Then second derivative now will now be d squared y over ds squared. The answer here now, I'll differentiate it again. That'll give me 2 times 9 x raised to power 2 minus 1 minus 1 times 4x raised to power 1 minus 1. Did you see that? And that will give me 18. 2 minus 1 will be 1, x raised to power 1 minus 1 times 4 is 4, s raised to power what? 0. 1 minus 1 is what? 0. So s raised to power 1 simply means x. X raised to power 0 simply means 1. In indices, when the number or a variable is raised to the power of 0, it gives you what? 1. So here now, I'll be having 18x minus, since s raised to power 0 is 1, 1 times 4 will give me 4. Therefore, my d squared y, which is the second derivative, is what? 18x minus 4. I hope it's clear. Please follow us on YouTube, follow us on Instagram and on Facebook. Saken Mathematics. Have a lovely day.